Hello, thanks for joining us. If you've ever installed ducts or ventilation systems, or if you've been on a job that needed heavy objects elevating, then you'll know just how difficult and dangerous these tasks could be without the right equipment. With us here today, we have the Lift Stacker SL15. It has a safe working load of 363 kilograms and can elevate items up to 4.6 meters above ground level. If you need to elevate a heavier load or reach a taller lift, we have alternative models available. Head to our website, hss.com today, to browse our full range. For example, the Lift Stacker 10 can elevate 454 kilograms to just over 3 meters, and the Lift Stacker SL25 can elevate 295 kilograms to 7.6 meters. These heavy-duty, manually operated lifts are easy to maneuver and surprisingly lightweight. This particular model weighs just 144 kilograms, meaning it can be transported in the back of a truck or large van. To begin setting the lift up, simply wheel the unit into the required position using the caster wheels at the bottom. Make sure you set the lift on firm, even ground, and do not attempt to use it on slanted or uneven surfaces. Once you are parked, you can lower the dolly wheel assembly by removing the pin. Once lowered into position, you must then replace the pin to keep it secure. Next, remove the pins from both front legs, lower them down and replace them once the legs are in place. Finally, disengage the hold down bar and lower the fork by turning the winch backwards. To do this, you'll need to pull, then swing the transport locking hook clear, repositioning it to the rear of the first column. You are now ready to use the stacker. To elevate the lift, simply wind the winch towards you, and to lower it, wind the winch away from you. When operating the lift, it is vital to keep clear from the items being elevated, as a mistake here could cause serious harm. If necessary, the fork assembly can be inverted to attain a greater height, but be aware that there is no rear support in the higher position and the load will require additional securing. To invert, support the fork assembly, remove the locating pin and slide the assembly down until clear. Invert the assembly and reinsert from the top, then replace the locating pin. When using the lift, you must not attempt to elevate items larger than the length of the forks and always use the proper attachment for the job. When checking out on our website, you will see we offer a variety of optional attachments, including fork extensions, pipe cradles, booms and loading platforms, as well as detail on how to correctly use them. When operating heavy machinery, you should always wear protective clothing. This includes a hard hat, gloves and safety boots. You should only attempt to operate heavy machinery if you have been trained and are comfortable using the product. For more information and to see all our lifting equipment, visit hss.com today.